Hello, and welcome back to this channel. Today's going to be a very fun and quite sad video because today we have some bad news and some good news. So it's kind of a 50-50 type of video. So before we start today's video, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you do not miss our video. And please like this video. Let's go start today's video. Well, things are doing pretty good today. Not a lot of things that are going bad. And then let's just look down. Well, algae is beginning to form in the fish tank, which is not great. So right now we're just going with a cleaning thing to just kind of clean the water out a little bit, and then we'll pump it. Right now we're pumping it out quite slowly, so that'll take a little bit, and then we pump it back in quite slowly so it doesn't really shock the fish and doesn't really startle the fish as bad as like other ways we could get the water in. So the only reason why algae really is forming is because, well, there's so many factors. Light is getting into the fish tank, so that's one big factor. And then another thing is there's already algae absolutely thriving in the sponges. So right now, hopefully I'll have stuff maybe tomorrow. But we're getting pebbles. I need a lot more, and actually I tried to get these plants out. That's why there's two ones with pebbles in it. But I did try to get the plants out of the sponges so I could reuse the plants because they are good plants, but I could not get them out of the sponges because, first of all, well, they were like absolutely like just gone crazy in it, and then it was just way too hard to actually get that. So right now I'm germinating a lot of stuff to hopefully get that stuff done, and then yeah, so I guess while that slowly fills up a little bit more, let's go ahead and start talking about some more plants. So stuff is doing okay. Lettuce definitely growing a little bit more, which is surprising. And then going over to the other system, we have strawberries right there. Those are doing actually pretty well. Very excited about that. Both systems are actually doing quite amazing. So yeah, that's really exciting. But also, one thing that makes me very excited about this is the plants are actually doing really good. There's not much algae forming in this system. A little bit here and there. But other than that, there's not a ton. Definitely a little bit green in some spots now that I'm looking around. But definitely not stuff that's like, oh no, type of stuff. So, going around, we are having some really good stuff. The cilantro is thriving. All of it's actually just really thriving. So, very soon, I'm going to start changing up how I actually plant the stuff. And then I don't really know if I want to go with sponges. I just kind of feel like algae forms way too quick in the system. So I might do some work with that to try to prevent that as much as possible and try some different ways I probably should have tried the first time. Now, talking about all these, we have oregano right here. Oregano is doing very good, which is so exciting. Then we have cilantro. That's doing really well, but it's definitely slowing down and coming up on its last few days. Going down to the very bottom shelf, we have the strawberries, and the strawberries are doing so well. So, starting with the peas now. The sugar peas are doing very good, and I'm very excited to start working with peas on this, and they're definitely growing quick. And it looks like they're actually starting to hook up to each other, hooking up to the actual growing things, and then that's exciting. And then the tomatoes definitely growing too, which is even more exciting. So very happy about that. Then the flowers, well, we actually got one flower so far, and that is so exciting. Just check out that beauty right there. And then we got another pot, pretty much the same thing. It's a morning glory. Then we have cosmos, and then we have lavender, which is growing 2 plants. Then going down one shelf, we are growing a rosemary. The rosemary is doing very good too, which is so exciting also. And then over here, we have bunching onions. I'm very excited about that too, just like everything else, because bunching onions is something new we're working on. Then going down to the very bottom shelf, we are growing a ton of strawberries. The strawberries are absolutely thriving. Well, definitely slowing down quite a bit, but other than that, they're doing pretty good. Then going up here, we are growing peas. The peas definitely all over Looks like there's actually roots going out of the bottom of the pot, so that's pretty insane. Some with that actually too, so that's pretty cool. Then we have a lot of stuff right here. We have some stuff starting to germinate. Not a ton, but some. Then the mint is a little behind, but other than that, it's doing really good. So I think other than that, that is pretty much it. So I'm going to try to do the fish tank extremely quick, and then I'll see you guys in a second once that's ready. So this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys like these types of videos, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on also. If you're not missing a video, and please like this video. I just want to give a second to thank you all for watching today's video and supporting the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.